Your vagus nerve is part of your autonomic nervous system, which means it's automatic. It's not something you think about, and its job is to protect you and keep you safe. It works through something called neuroception. That means bottom-up processing. So your body is continually scanning and responding to your environment. It's fast, automatic, and unconscious. It bypasses your thinking brain. It doesn't communicate with thinking. So your body is continually seeking out information from its environment to regulate its nervous system and to determine its sense of safety. So we can bring this technique called orienting into our conscious awareness to help our bodies feel more safe and grounded and regulated. This is one way we can let our bodies know that they have agency and to help them to feel safe and to regulate our nervous system. So a simple way that we can do this when we're in our homes is to look around the room and notice where the door is. And if we're in a room where it's a front door or a back door, we can just note if it's locked, if it's secure, and this will help our nervous systems to feel more safe. A second way we can do this is to just let our eyes calmly, gently roam around the room and search for cues of safety. So one thing that I noticed recently is we've been repainting our kitchen, and so we've had to have all our kitchen counters clear. And this has just allowed my nervous system to feel a lot more calm. So having clear spaces just lets your eyes have less to settle on. By the way, my name's Melissa, in case you didn't know. I have this yoga lifestyle channel, and on here I put out lots of nervous system content. I'm letting you know because right now only 4% of you are subscribed, and I just love serving you up all this nervous system content. My goal is to help lots of people feel safe and calm and at ease. And so I think maybe if more of you are subscribed, it's more likely that you would see this content, and I'd be able to help more people feel safe and at home and belong in their bodies and in the world. And so yeah, maybe subscribe if this content resonates with you. So noticing if there's any clutter, anything that you can tidy, and having clear surfaces, I find that really helps to calm my nervous system. Notice your lighting. Is it appropriate for the time of day? So in the mornings, we want our rooms to be bright, but in the evenings, we want to have dim lighting, maybe candlelight. That's going to make your nervous systems feel calmer and also more able to go to sleep at night. Also notice your window coverings. We have these huge windows in our living room and our bedroom, and I love them, but for my body to feel safe, I like to have like shears so people can't see in our living room, and then full covering in our bedroom so people can't see in there. So just notice if you have with your windows that you have window coverings that allow your body to feel safe. Okay, now that we've oriented externally so our body feels safe in the space, let's orient a little bit more internally. One of the best ways that we can do this is through our breath. Because we can only live without breathing for a few moments, we can really change our nervous system state quickly with breath. So I like this one. You can rub your hands together and you can just place them on your lower ribs and feel your feet on the ground, because the ground is stable, helps to give you that sense of stability. And then you're going to breathe into your side ribs and breathe out, feel your ribs drop in. So as you breathe in, feel your rib cage expand. And as you breathe out, feel your rib cage drop in. So you're getting this nice diaphragmatic breathing. You're also getting that sensory feedback from your hands. As you breathe in, you can say to yourself, I am here. As you breathe out, you can say to yourself, this is now. I am here. And this is now. Keep breathing. I am here. Feel your ribs expand into your hands. Breathe out. Say to yourself, this is now. I love giving you guys this nervous system content. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking. And put I am here. This is now in the comments. By the way, I also have a whole other yoga channel where I put out lots of yoga classes for the nervous system. And I also have a Revive and Thrive incubator with the link down below, which has lots of nervous system optimization in it as well.